This is 1007 on Blue Goose Loop. So they have a shed here and a golf cart and a covered deck. So no trailer, but I guess they do have one available if you wanted one. Anyway, so we're on the 50 amps and the 4-inch water pipes. So this is the new stuff here. And then we have the fire pit and the covered deck. So they've got lights around it. They're not on right now. They've got the old water is still sitting there too, usable for a little while longer. There's the fire pit and the firewood back behind it there. And there's the shed. So if you don't want the chairs or the golf cart or the golf cart cover, which is also in here, there's a dehumidifier. They will take anything out that you want out. It looks like a vacuum. It says it's a Bissell, so maybe it's a floor cleaner. A bunch of chairs, that's pretty normal. And so that was a mirror. That's interesting. That's a mirror. And so here you are. And this is a really nice covered deck, by the way. Looks like it's the 120 square feet you're allowed. There is a line up here in case you want to run a tarp for those rainy days. Sitting around the fireplace. But, so this is what you have here.